Curious. If you're a nature lover, you won't believe your ears. These birds have the wildest calls ever. First up, the Australian bustard. This bird looks pretty chill, but it's called... Wow, it sounds like a lion's roar. Imitate low growl. Who knew, right? Now meet the screaming piha. This little guy's call is like a police siren. Pause. Mimic piaya. Imagine that in your backyard. And here's the star of the show, the lyrebird. This feathered genius can mimic almost any sound it hears. Chainsaws, cameras, even other birds. Talk about a cover artist. Last, but definitely not least, the kiwi. Small bird, big voice. You'd swear a giant was hiding in the bushes. So there you have it, birds that roar, scream, and mimic everything under the sun. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it?